Okay, welcome back to the fourth and final step. We are going to start baking. So I cook my bread at a temperature between 430, 435 degrees. You can go up to 450. Mine is a gas stove. So I don't know if electric or gas makes a difference, but I would say you could just experiment with which temperature works best for you. I prefer to cook my sourdough in a Dutch oven, and I like to put parchment in because otherwise the sourdough will stick to the bottom and you won't be able to get it out. So I just stick the parchment in, and then I drop the sourdough inside. You can also choose to use a liqueur. You can actually proof your dough in here and cook it in here. For the Dutch oven, I cook 20 minutes with the lid on and 20 minutes with the lid off. So I set a timer for the 20 and the 21 minutes. And then make sure you also score it before you put it in the oven. So I'm gonna take mine out. Always make sure that you have your Dutch oven preheating in the oven, so the Dutch oven is warm when you're putting the dough in. So I'm gonna stick this in, just being careful because it's hot. And then I'm gonna take my banneton, I'm gonna flip it over and let it drop down perfect. And I just make sure it's not touching the sides because it will stick. And then I'm going to use this tool to score the dough. Sometimes I make a cross or an X or just a line down the middle, from one side to the other of the dough. And then I'll just show you how I did that with this. So I'm just going one side of the dough to the other. I'm gonna make a cross on this one. So just like that, just to let the air bubbles out so it doesn't get trapped inside the dough. It'll still be a great piece of sourdough bread. So we'll go ahead and put that in the liqueur. I don't cover, that's fine, but the Dutch oven I do. I'm gonna cover it, put it in, and I do cook 2 at the same time, but no more than 2. Set the timer to 20 minutes. And then you will take off the lid, set it for 21 minutes, and then you're all done. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, info@stephanie-hay.com.